Today we are going to take you on a creative journey into the world of After Effects, where we'll show you how to make the stunning world map animation in the easiest way possible. So let's dive in and bring your maps to life. So we are back in the interface of After Effects, and today we are going to create world map animation in the easiest way. So for that, firstly select the pen tool. Now click on the fill and turn off fill from here. Just click on this icon and click OK. And now click on the stroke and turn on stroke from here. Just click on it and click OK. In stroke value of 20 pixels, it can vary according to your image. Now mark the start and end point from where your animation gonna start. So from here we start animation and we create a curve like this. And our animation gonna end here. We'll zoom in a little bit and adjust the curve. So if you zoom in, you can see there is a sharp edge on the corner. So we'll make it smooth or rounded shape. So for that, just expand shape layer 1 and expand context. Then again expand shape 1, then expand stroke 1. And from here line cap, just change for butt cap to round cap. You can see the edge is now becoming a round shape. Now unexpand all of these like this. Now click on add and add a trim path. Now expand the trim path 1 and bring your time indicator at starting. Now we'll fit to screen like this. Now just start the end animation of it like this, and from starting 0 go to around 6 seconds like this and end value to 100. Now if you play this, you can see it's created an animation of it. It's looking good. Now we'll select both of the keyframes and move it to around 1 second and press F9 to easy ease. If you're wondering why we shifted these keyframes to slightly 1 second forward, because we will gonna add a zooming animation on it. Means the map will first zoom in and then the map animation gonna start. So that's it. Now we'll unexpand this and select both of the layer and right click, pre-comp this. You can name it anything you want. And click OK. Now select the pre-comp 1 and bring your time indicator to starting. Now select the pre-comp 1 and press S to reveal the scale. Now start the animation of it. Now click on the pre-comp and press P on your keyboard to reveal the position and also start a key animation of it. And now select the pre-comp 1 and press Z on your keyboard to reveal all the key animation that we have started. Now bring your time indicator at 1 second and now just scale it and zoom in from where your animation gonna start. So we'll zoom it around 281, I think it's good, and position to 1403 and hit enter, and minus 216 and hit enter. So now we play this, you can see the map will first zoom in and then our animation gonna start. So we'll go to around the last frame. Now press Ctrl and bring your time indicator 3 frames ahead. 1, 2 and 3. And now just add a pause keyframe here. So we click on this. Now we click on this to add a pause animation. Now we'll go to around 3.5 seconds. Now we'll reposition it so that the stroke will be in the center like this. And now we'll go to around 5 seconds like this. Changing value of it, and we go to around final keyframe and it's done. Yeah, and now if you play this, you can see our animation will start, and now we just need to make it smooth. So we'll go here and zoom in a little bit, and let's go here, zoom in a little bit, and selecting the first 2 keyframes like this and pressing F9 to easy ease. And now just go to graph editor and right click, make sure the speed graph is checked. Now we'll just do like this for adding a smooth bounce effect and turn on the motion blur. Now we'll play this. First the zoom in will be there and then our animation gonna start. And if you want to add a jerk on it, just select all the keyframes and press F9 on your keyboard to easy ease. And now if you play this, you can see this jerk means there will be a millisecond stop in where we have add the pen tool points. And if you want, you can also add the location icon and text on the animation. And there you have it, you've just learned how to create captivating world animation in After Effects. And if you want to learn text animation and motion graphics, the link is here, you can check it out. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it easy to follow along. Remember, the possibilities in After Effects are endless, and with a bit of practice you can create memorizing animations like a pro.